Hola a tots i a totes i benvingudes un cop més al meu canal. Jo soc l'Estel i avui és el dia 14 de Vlogmas. Avui estem a Barcelona i tot el Vlogmas parlarem en anglès perquè estic amb l'Àlex i és la meva parella i parlem en anglès tot el dia i he pensat que podríem aprofitar i fer tot el Vlogmas en anglès. Are you ready to speak English with me all day?
I am ready.
Let's go. Hello, Alex.
Hi, Stell.
Hi, Thelma. So, Alex, what's your favorite part of Barcelona?
That's hard to say. My favorite part? I don't know. I really like Gracia, and I like to ride my bike around the city. So I like exploring all different parts. Like L'Eixample is cool because it's just big and open, but then I like some of the older neighborhoods like Holborn and El Raval because I don't know, it doesn't feel as much. It feels different from other places like in America because they're older, and I like being by the sea because we don't have that the places that we live right now in Atlanta or in the mountains. I don't know, all sorts of different places.
And what's your favorite thing about Barcelona?
My favorite thing?
Mm-hmm.
Oof, I don't know. That's a tough call. I don't know if I have a favorite thing. I love the weather. I love the food and just the landscapes, the mountains. I like probably having the mountains so close and being able to. So I love mountain biking, being able to mountain bike and then come right into the city and do all that fun stuff, you know. So there go our friends. I love having the mountains right on the edge of you have the sea and the mountains here so close together. That's what I love about this part of the country is that it reminds me a lot of the best parts of California without the worst parts of California.
Nice. Cheaper.
And cheaper. Much cheaper.
What is your favorite?
No.
I'll do it. So, okay. What is your favorite
color? I would say
color.
Blue. But these days I'm feeling a little more chartreuse.
No. What's your favorite food to eat in Barcelona? Maybe restaurant or bar or
I love Set Portes for. That's why we're doing this in English. I love Seven Doors for the classic seafood, paella and fideuà and stuff. But then you got classics like Bar Tomàs for tapas or patatas bravas. And I don't know, there's so much good stuff here. There's no shortage of things that I keep finding that I love. I love Beer Cab. It's a really great beer bar that has stuff from all over the world that I can't find where I live. They actually have beers from Asheville right by where we live now, which is crazy. It's not a very big place, but yeah, that's very cool.
Good. Do you have any question that you want to ask me?
What's your favorite color?
Pink.
There you have it, folks. Estelle,
Hi.
what do you think of our little tapas spread that we have here?
I think it's very yummy. It's very fresh and yummy.
How descriptive.
It's very warm.
What do you think of Barceloneta without tourists all over the place?
It's amazing. It's very quiet.
Look how calm these streets are. This never happens.
I feel like it feels more like a fisherman's neighborhood, like it used to be. And I feel like I could live here now. Would you live here?
I could.
It's very nice. It's got nice restaurants and bars. If you dig in and walk in the inside streets. And Salma's enjoying it too. That's it. I'm just gonna keep eating.
Smaller bite thing.
Alex, what are you eating?
Eating buñols de bacalhau, which is like, it's like a cod, sort of like a cod, kind of like a little hush puppy-ish. It's like these mixed up batter and spices and seasoning with the cod fish, and then they fry it. Almost everything we've had is fried. It's been delicious. So it's like crispy on the outside, but then it's like soft and warm on the inside. Very good.